Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make my healthy French toast. It's a pretty simple recipe, very few ingredients, and French toast doesn't have to be bad for you. So, to get started, what you're going to need, I like to use a 35 calorie bread just because it cuts down the calorie count. You can use a 45 calorie if that's what you got available, or standard bread if you want, but this makes a major difference. Next, you'll need 7 egg whites. You will need some cinnamon. You will need some vanilla and cooking spray. Now, when we get this done, I'll show you what we put on top to dress it up, such as syrup and toppings. So, let's get started. We now have our griddle warming up. I like to set ours just above medium, about 6, and let it completely warm up before we move on. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take our egg whites. And we're going to put a little bit of vanilla in. And then we're going to put in some cinnamon. And we're going to mix it up. Now this part will take a minute because straight egg whites with cinnamon do not like to mix. Alright. So next we're going to take our spray. We like to use this Grill Master by Crisco. Be very quick and gentle with this. Doesn't take much, but as you can see, we got our mixture. Now, when using this 35 calorie bread, it's very light and airy, so you have to almost like palm it when you're taking it out or it'll fall apart. So you quickly put it down in your mixture, palm it, let the excess drain off, and throw it on. And you just continue the process. Remember, you want to palm it or it'll fall apart. So, this mixture usually makes about 5 pieces, but I will tell you different breads react different ways. If you're using a whole wheat, it'll probably only make about 4 pieces. If you're using a regular bread, it may make 4, it may make 5, it's hard to tell. What I like to do though is there's always a little left. Just pour it over the top. Then we're going to let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes aside, maybe more depending upon your oven. Mine cooks it pretty quick with this Pampered Chef griddle, so more than likely it's about 2 to 3 minutes aside in our situation. Alright guys, as you can see, they're all done. A simple, easy recipe. And now I'm going to show you how we dress them up. Now there's a ton of options how to do this. Some of the more decadent ones are, you can use sugar-free Hershey syrup. It's only 5 calories per tablespoon. If you can't hear that clicking sound, that's Apollo. He's looking for me to drop something. You can do PB2, which is a powdered peanut butter. 60 calories for 2 tablespoons makes a great topping for this. One of my favorite ways is to use some of this light Greek yogurt, and it works like almost like a whipped cream, vanilla flavored. And you'll use, I don't know, if you go real light on it, you can use about a 1/4 cup, maybe 1/8 of a cup. I usually just whatever's showing, I just put a little bit on, just like that. And then, this is key, sugar-free syrup. 15 calories for 2 tablespoons. This is where most of your calories come from, is syrup, when you're eating regular French toast and pancakes. So we're going to put just a light drizzle on that. And as you can see, it is a wonderful French toast. Perfect for any breakfast. Alright, so let's talk about what really matters, and that's the taste. Now, doing this one-handed is not easy. And no offense, but when I eat French toast, I don't want it to be pretty. I'm messy. But take a look at that. And yeah, it's hot. But that's delicious. I got no complaints on that. Now here's the best part. This whole plate, 299 calories the way I did it. That's 5 pieces of 35 calorie bread, 7 egg whites, 1/8 of a cup of light Greek yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar-free syrup. 299 calories. You literally cannot make a bowl of cereal with milk for that. So you're eating this for breakfast, which is healthy. Loaded with protein, enough of the good fats to be healthy, but not too much. For my personal macros, it's a perfect balance. But I encourage you guys to try this. And we've got a lot more healthy versions of recipes we all love coming up here on the Frugal Homestead. So make sure you go down, hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you made it. Tell me what you think of the taste. I love it. I can't get enough of it. But now it's time for you guys to go so I can eat this and get on with my day. We'll see you in the next one.